I used to basically put aside a complete day for me to draw up a kitchen and then put a quote together and send it out. It can be done in a morning now. It saves so much time. I was running a building company and brought Ash in as a joiner on site. So we were making a wardrobe in someone's garage and kind of looked at each other, and I just said, look, maybe we should give this a go. And we've just slowly developed and grown. I'd say very organically. We've just tried to develop with the projects we take on.
And the jobs were a lot smaller then as well, so it was it was quite easy to do just with pen and paper. But as the projects grew bigger and the staff increased, there's a lot more to keep on top of, and you need to start keeping records, because 2 years down the line a customer calls you and said, oh, actually we want an extra shelf, or change some doors, or do this and do that.
We also pride ourselves on being a traditional manufacturer, and that's why we never really considered the CNC.
It takes up a huge amount of space, and that space costs money, and there's a lot of investment. So it took quite a lot of looking into, didn't it, really, just to find out the capabilities of what they can do and how it will help us move forward.
When we were deciding on the machine and actually getting the machine delivered out to us, they then basically got Mozaik sent over to us as a trial period for 2 or 3 months, so that by the time the machine was here, we were up and running.
Even when we took the machine, we thought it'd probably only get used 50% of the time. I mean, it's pretty much running all day, every day now. Yeah. It's an absolute no-brainer to take software like Mozaik. The amount of time I spent breaking down every single component, writing down the sizes for each component, it does it for you in a click of a button. For every job that we do, I would do a checklist. So every single hinge, shelf peg, every single fitting that needs to be taken to site, I used to go through and work out what we needed. Mozaik does that for us.
One of the simplest things that they do within the rendering is just being able to click the doors off, so that actually I can show all of the internals. Before you're looking at a sort of 2D elevation of a kitchen with doors, I'd never be able to show the internals, because that would then mean that I've got to go through and I've got to basically redraw it.
With a lot of the other cabinet configurator software, there's a huge upfront cost just to get the software, and then you've got your ongoing yearly or monthly costs for your subscription. And again, having no experience with that sort of software, it's a massive risk, laying out that huge upfront cost, and then not knowing, actually, are you going to be comfortable with the software? Is it going to do what you need to do? With Mozaik, that risk is taken away. There is no huge upfront costs. It's just your monthly rolling subscription, and the backup and support's been brilliant. The help desk is really good. The Facebook group has been brilliant, because you get responses instantly on there. All the Mozaik experts are on there. So again, it comes back to that aftercare and support for guys like us who've got no experience with that software or CNC world. That's been invaluable. You can really tell it's definitely geared towards cabinet makers. What's required and the daily struggles of a cabinet making business. We never really thought about taking on a cabinet configurator software, because we always linked that to a CNC. We never actually thought, actually we could use a cabinet configurator software. We don't need a CNC, but it will still transform the way we do things. And my God, I wish we did years ago, because the amount of time it saves. We still make traditional 5-piece doors. We don't do that on the CNC, but Mozaik will still create the cutting list for us. So yeah, it would have transformed the way we do things a lot earlier.
I mean, the favourite part of our job will always be, it's always the finished product, and when actually this thing is in and it's finished, and you get a photo from a client or something, and they're sitting there, cooking in their new kitchen. We've realised that actually, in order to actually set the company up and to make the company stable moving forward, it has to be efficiency.
It's future-proofing. The one thing I wish we'd have done sooner is take out Mozaik. even if you don't have space for a CNC machine, it's an absolute no-brainer to take software like Mozaik.